Understanding, what's that, in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a very common English phrase, what's that? This simple question can be incredibly useful as you navigate through English conversations. So, let's dive in and see how it's used in different contexts. What's that? Is a question we ask when we want to know about something we see, hear, or don't understand. It's a blend of what is and that, and it's used to point out something specific. Remember, the word that refers to an object or idea that is not close to the speaker. This phrase can be used in various situations. For example, if you hear a noise and can't identify it, you might ask, "What's that?" Or, if you see an object you're unfamiliar with, "What's that?" is the question you'd use to inquire about it. The way you say, "What's that?" can change its meaning. A curious tone might indicate genuine interest, while a sharp tone could suggest alarm or surprise. Your body language, like pointing or tilting your head towards the object, also helps convey your question more clearly. There are variations like, "What's this?" which is used when the object is close to the speaker. You might also hear, "What's that called?" when someone is asking for the name of an object, or, "What's that sound?" when referring specifically to a noise. And that's all about, what's that? We hope this video has made you more confident in using this phrase. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to ask, "What's that?" next time you come across something new. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.